Threat actors are getting more brazen in their attempts to steal sensitive information. One of the most recent exploits was the creation of a malicious Python package. The key to this trickery? Impersonating a legitimate software development toolkit, an SDK. Hello, I'm Trac Bannon, reporting from Camp Hill, Pennsylvania. I've always cautioned development and engineering teams to invest time understanding the contents, intention, and lineage of open source packages. But this takes time and tools. When coupled with the pressure to deliver at speed, developers are exposed to new and seemingly easy-to-create exploits. Cyber researchers discovered that a package on PyPi, the Python package index, was masquerading as a legitimate SDK. The name of the package was SentinelOne, and it appeared to provide easy-to-use access to legitimate APIs from SentinelOne Corporation, the provider of endpoint security and other security mechanisms. This type of attack is called typo squatting. In this case, the Imposter package campaign was dubbed Sentinel Sneak. While only online for 2 days in December, the package was downloaded over 1,000 times, with 24 updates in quick succession, adding to the perception that it was a very active and vibrant package. Reversing Labs has released a broader study reporting that attacks on the software supply chain are surging. They urge the use of automated tools and government guidance to curtail this attack vector. If you're wondering what Sentinel Sneak does, it's a backdoor for collecting development environment information, including SSH keys, credentials, and configurations. Even more brazen is that the same threat actor made 2 additional attempts with packages called SentinelOne-SDK and SentinelOne SDK. For now, there needs to be extra scrutiny in using any open source package, including looking for telltale signs, like the lack of details on the package homepage. For the resources in this report, head over to 505updates.com. Something to noodle on.
Listen to today's entire episode of It's 505 on your favorite podcast platform.